there's no other road in life to walk down. Turn your eyes on the light, my friend, and my Lord will show you just where you've been. Take his hand right now. There's peace of mind to be found if you'll just hold fast to what you had in him and hear what I say.